So now we are going to discuss the dividends explained and how do you invest in different dividends. So the basis of dividend investing. Number one are what are the dividends and how do they work? Number two, what are the benefits of dividend investing? Number third, how can investors get started with dividend investing? Number four, what are some of the risks associated with dividend investing? And finally, what are some of the best dividend focused EFTs? So basically benefits of dividend stocks. Before starting the what is dividend investing, you should know what are the dividend stocks. So its benefit for the investors are predictable income, reduced risk, and the profit without selling. But the benefits for the company are the investor loyalty increase, stock price will boost, and good use of the extra cash by the company. Then, what is the definition of dividend? So, basically, our dividend payment is the distribution of a company's profit to its shareholders, also called the stock owners. So, how often are dividends paid on stock? So, the vast majority of US companies that pay dividends issue the payroll quarterly. Quarterly means 4 times a year. Means after 3 months they will pay you dividend. Then example, say you buy 100 shares of a company A for $10 each. So you have invested a total of $1,000. So company A has to pay you 0.3% annual dividend per share stock. So over the course of a year, you would receive $30 in dividend payments. Then another example is if the dividend payer is pays 10% dividend. So suppose shares you buy 100 shares and the company pay you the share price of each share is only $9. So the value of all your $100 will be 900. And it is a simple maths. You can multiply 100 with a 9. So the portfolio value will be 100. Then the non-dividend payer. So he creates a 10% dividend. For example, the shares are 90 shares a person buy and the share price is $10 each. So the total value of all the 90 shares will be 900. And the cash that he has paid was 100. So the portfolio value will be 1000. So this is a difference. Then dividend. So basically a portion of a company's profit paid to shareholders, and it can be issued as cash or shares. It has two types, like quarterly means paid 4 times a year, and special like paid one time only. So the companies, the benefits are like it can boost stock price, build shareholder loyalty, and the good use of extra cash. But for the investors, it will be reliable income, reduced volatility, and the collect profits without selling. Then these are the basically you if you have to pay dividend, you have to invest to earn a dividend. Then the what is the process of dividend? So dividend process is number one, you have to invest in one or more shares in a company of your choice. Then the company evaluates performance at the end of the quarter. Then the board of the director decide how much and what form of the dividend will be paid out in. So the company announces dividend amount and payment date. And lastly, you will receive a dividend for each share. So basically this is the whole process and the whole cycle of how you will invest in a company, and on which basis the company will pay you a certain amount depending upon their performance at quarterly basis. Then dividend facts. How are dividend paid? Number one, in most cases, dividends are paid in cash by a company to your brokerage, which puts the money in your account. So the other companies offer direct stock investment plans. Then how often? The vast majority of the companies issue payout quarterly. A handful of companies pay dividends every month. So on rare occasion, a company may also issue a special dividend. Then how much? So the company's board of directors will determine the dividend payment. This can vary from one industry to the next and among companies in different growth phases. So these are the 3 points that you should keep in mind, and you should know the answer of these 3 questions before investing in any company, that how much you will be paid and how often and how much. Obviously every company is different from another company, and so you have to search different stock markets and their past performances to know this answer before investing. So then, dividend investing. So how to build your passive income and financial freedom through the stock market. I will guide you a dividend stock and an early retirement plan. So what is dividend investing? Basically, dividends are a steady stream of income from the profits generated by the company for the shareholders. So, reinvesting dividends provides shareholders an ongoing return, allowing them to increase their earning in exponential terms. So, two formulas can be used for this dividend yield. So the formula will be, you have to divide the dividend amount divided by the current market price multiplied by the 100. Then you will get the dividend yield. Then the dividend payout ratio. So the total dividend paid divided by the total income multiplied by the 100. So the answer will be dividend payout ratio. So before investing in any company, you should know their dividend. Then the advantages of the dividend investing: obviously steady income or passive income, long-term investment, tax benefit, low risk, and it depends upon the company performance. So dividend investing, it is an investment approach which involves buying shares of a companies that regularly pay out cash to their shareholders for owning their stock. It is like they share their profit, some percentage of their profit to you. Well, do you want your stocks to pay you cash every few months? That dividend investing. So in the next 5 minutes, I will show you how it works with one simple example that you can copy. So our dividend is a share of a company profit paid to shareholders. Understood? So if you own shares, the company can pay you cash, usually every 3 months. So you can take the cash or reinvest it in to buy more shares. So basically you have to decide that which one is more beneficial for you, to withdraw your cash or to reinvest it in that particular company, or you want to invest in another company. But generally reinvesting in a profitable company, it's beneficial. So let's use a simple example. Imagine a company called ABC Corporation. Suppose today the share price is $50 and ABC pays you 0.5 per share every quarter. So it means the total will be 2 per year. Then how can you calculate this formula? I think you understood, but quarterly means 4 times a year. So it means, so the answer will be 2 per year. It means you will get $2 per year. So now you will calculate the dividend yield that I discussed already the formula. That is the amount that you will get divided by the share price. So here is, you can divide 2 will be divided by 50 and the answer will be 0.04, means 4%. So this will be the dividend yield 4% for this particular example. In the same way, you can calculate your dividend yield for whichever company you are investing or you are planning to invest. So what if you reinvest? So suppose you invest 500 in ABC today at 50 per share. That means you buy 10 shares. So year 1 dividend, the 10 shares will be multiplied by the 2 that you will get a year in my previous slide. So the answer will be 20. So if you turn on DRIP, that means that $20 buys 0.4 shares at rupees $50. Now you will own 10.4 shares. And for the year 2, 10.4 will be multiplied by the 2 and the answer will be 20.8. So you buy only 0.416 shares, but now you have 10.816 shares. So this is compounding. Then how dividends can buy more shares which earn more dividends. So basically this shows you that how beneficial it is for you to reinvest in a particular company, because it will be an exponential growth for you. Like in 1 year you will only get 10.4 shares, but in next year you will get 10.816 shares, and the profit will obviously be depending upon the number of the shares that you own. So how do you get dividend payments? Number one is announcement date. So the board of the directors announces that the company will pay a dividend. Number two, ex dividend date. You have to buy before this day. Number three, record data. Only investors who own shares on this date receive the dividend payment. And number four is payment date. So the dividend payment goes directly into your brokerage account. So you must hold the stocks during this period is about 2%. And the payment date can range from a few days to more than a month after dividend is announced. So, quick rules to pick dividend stock. So, look for the steady profits for a few years. Payout ratio around 30 to 60% is usually safer than 90% or plus, and a consistent dividend history is better than a very high yield, and avoid too much debt. So, if you don't want to pick stocks, start with our dividend EFT for the instant diversification. So these are the crux of this slide that you should remember before investing in any company or buying any shares of a company that you want to invest and buy their stocks. So what can be the risk? So dividends are not guaranteed. Companies can cut payment. A very high yield can be a warning sign, and the stock prices can still fail. And lastly, the tax depend on where you live. Obviously, it is different for different people depending upon their location and their geographical area where they are living. Then the starter plan. So basically, you have to make a watch list with 3 dividend stocks or 1 dividend ETF. Then you can check yield and payout ratio. Number third, it invest a small amount to learn the process. So that if you that will lose, so there will be not a very downfall for you. And finally, turn on drip or set a reminder to reinvest payouts. So if this is helped, and so kindly like and subscribe to my channel and comment dividends, and I will reply with my 1-page checklist you can use on any stock. Thank you. Share it.